Sheets of plastic on the window.
Oh, for the heat?
No, it's like for the downstairs. It's like a decoration one so you can't see inside the house.
Oh, okay. Take a couple minutes.
The Slim Jims are really nice.
I'll go get some Monday Fridays for us.
No, it's alright. Go get some if you want some.
Ellie, how much were they?
About
$5?
$2.
They're like $2.50.
I'm gonna go get some quick.
Packers won!
Those make me so hungry.
Oh god. Time to the fruit shoot apple. Yeah, this might not taste that bad because I had apple juice. It looks bad though. Ew, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is calming my mouth down really good. Set that aside. And we're going to do the best for the last. I'm going to try the cheddar and bacon flavored potato skins. Let me open it. I'm still sweating from the Slim Jim. Okay, here we go. She left. She left.
Oh, I was going to tell you the Bears.
Oh.
Go Bears!
These actually don't taste that bad. They're actually really good. Okay. 1 second. Get my full face right there. I'm gonna open the Crunch Dubs vanilla and crispy chocolate coating. Ugh. They have a condom on it. Oh my god, these things are huge. They used to be really small. These are what they look like. Almost as big as my hand. Now I'm melted, but get a couple. They're really sweet. I'll tell you that. They're really good too. Time for the Kit Kat, the hardest one to open. I had the dark Kit Kats. I never had the light ones. Comment below if you liked any of these. If you like any of these, I can buy some for you guys. And yeah. 1 second. What, Packers won again? They did? Bears and Packers won. My two favorite teams, Bears and Packers. Okay, I got it open. Okay. I'm gonna take this much. Looks like I got some caramel. Whoa. I'm really amazed. I'm in love with the Twix. This is what they look like. Oh god. It's so hard to get out without breaking them. Okay, here's what a full one looks like. It says Kit Kat. Then that's their thing that they're called. I'm gonna eat a full one. finish it down with some apple juice. Peace. Ellie Viliosi is out.